welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Icie and I'm so happy to have you here. So this video is actually inspired by a request from a subscriber. Sammy, if you're watching this, shout out to you for recommending I film this type of video. But we are doing a monthly reset slash weekend reset to just prepare for March, and I'm really excited because there's quite a lot that I want to do. I actually wrote down a huge to-do list of everything that I want to get prepared for this week. If you guys have been following me, then you know that I've recently resigned from my job and I'm starting my new slash old job as a legal assistant this upcoming Wednesday. I'm filming this on a Sunday, so I really want to get things in order and make sure everything is good to go and just kind of get through all of the admin stuff that I've been putting off. And I think this is also a great way to film some content and also be productive at the same time. I actually started doing a few things around my apartment yesterday. Started doing the cleaning and things like that and just kind of prepping and getting things in order. Now today we have also a lot that I want to get done. I have to do grocery shopping, I have to do some laundry, I already have my bed sheets in the washer, and then something that I wanted to share with you guys is actually a few pieces of poetry that I recently ordered on Amazon. Recently I've come across this Instagram account called Ebb and Flow Poetry. I came across her page because it was just recommended on Instagram to me, and she has a lot of really simple yet inspirational prose, and I really like it. If you guys want to check her out, I'll leave her handle right here somewhere on the screen. I really recommend it. I love her words and just the simplicity of it, but it's also very relatable. So I decided that I wanted to order some of her work, and I just got the packages in the mail. I picked this up today. So I have two of these poetry books, and they're really simple, and they're also just like, I love the color scheme of the brown and kind of the beige aesthetic. I think it looks really cute, and these are just going to be great easy reads to have on my bedside table to read at the end of the night or start my morning with. I want to establish a morning and night routine eventually, so something that I want to get back into is reading. So that's really fun, and I'm really excited to read these pieces. Anyway, today's plan, like I said, we have quite a laundry list of things to do. Hoping this inspires you to get your own things done and we can be productive together.
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back, cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky, we gon' make it if we try, the truth never lie, wings we can fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning, not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. I'm like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly.
I have organized all of my jewelry. So I have my bracelets over here. These are the most common earrings that I wear, and I just combined it and finally just accumulated the ones that I actually will wear. I had a lot of jewelry that was just old and rusting, and I honestly forgot that I had it. So I recommend doing a declutter of your jewelry because you'd be surprised by the amount of things that are just cluttering up space. And then I put all of the rings that I still want to keep in this tray. This is a cute little jewelry holder I got from Marshall's, but yeah, it feels really good to actually clear that up, and I've been meaning to do that for a while, so can check that off the list. Oh my gosh, it's been crazy.
Treacherous blues calling my name. Won't you let me feel alive?
You want to say hi to my vlog real quick?
I'm you.
Say hi.
What's up, vlog?
Quick little update. So I just finished doing most of the cleaning. I have yet to clean the bathroom, but I think I'm gonna save that for tomorrow since it's a little bit later in the evening time, which is totally okay. And then pretty much all I have left is to do some admin stuff, computer work. I think I'm also gonna move the groceries and food prep for tomorrow as well because we don't have anything going on. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna just finish off with some computer work at the coffee shop. Something else that I wrote on my to-do list actually is to journal. And I wanted to do this because I have just been going through so much, and I kind of felt a little bit in the afternoon for some reason that I started getting a little bit of anxiety, and it's not anything serious, but I just feel like I have so much that I need to get off my chest that I really want to journal it out, reflect on the past few weeks, and just kind of where my headspace is at. So I put on my to-do list that I wanted to take 30 minutes, an hour, however long, to just journal out how I've been feeling. And I think this is gonna be a really good brain dump for me in terms of where I'm at and what I want. And it's also gonna help me plan this month, I think, in terms of content. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sit here and journal out for a little bit, and then I'll catch up with you guys a little later. I just finished doing a little bit of computer work and then also journaling, and it was honestly so needed. Whenever I'm going through something where I have a lot on my mind, I always feel better after journaling it out because I often catastrophize in my head about the issues that I'm experiencing, and being able to write it down and break it down also helps me process and helps me realize and figure out, okay, is this something that is an actual stressor, or am I just automatically going to the worst case scenario? And so being able to see it on paper, there's something about releasing that energy and not letting it affect my whole day. So I've been journaling a lot lately, and it feels really nice to do that. So I just journaled for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I think I'm actually gonna go for a walk, which comes as no surprise if you've been following me. I really love going on my daily walk, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we will finish up the monthly plan with me, and then also plan my content for the rest of March, or at least kind of have a light template of what I want to film, brainstorm some video ideas. So I think that will be really good, and then I think we'll probably wrap up the video by then. So I'm going to just grab a jacket and then get some fresh air. Back from my evening walk. I took about a 40-minute walk and it was really good. Lately I've been doing my daily walks in the evening time because I think it's just a nice way to unwind from the day, and it's just a nice mental practice for me, honestly. I always say that my daily walks are another form of therapy, and so it was really good. I was also thinking that we could do a nice bath tonight and just kind of settle in, have a really relaxing evening. So I think that's the plan and I'm really excited about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the bath, and then we will have a cozy editing session to close out this
New
vlog.
street and brand new me. Side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town. I already know. Couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out.
Hello everyone, it is well into the evening and I've just spent the last, I would say, hour to an hour and a half just planning and writing out my schedule for this week, and I haven't used my planner in a minute. I don't think I've used or touched this planner in a month, and something that I want to get better at is, I said that really weirdly, but something that I want to improve about myself is holding myself accountable for the daily actions that I take in my day. And I used to be really into routines, and I would have like a 10-step morning routine. I remember in college I was super into that and waking up early, and I don't think I can commit to that level of strictness, and I don't think that's sustainable right now, so I don't want to set unrealistic expectations. But I am leaning back into my older version who really thrived off having a routine and thrived off of having these daily rituals, I guess you can call them. And I remember when I was the most productive and content, creatively fulfilled version of myself, I feel like that's when I really stuck to a routine. Maybe not every day, but for the majority of the time. So that's something that I'm doing. I've incorporated 2 daily habits into my routine, so both for my mind and my body. So I want to read at least 15 minutes a day, or just get some type of reading in, whether it's a short poetry book or something informational that I'm reading. I also want to incorporate my daily walk, which is going to be pretty easy because I've been doing that a lot lately anyway. I just think of it as another form of therapy for myself. So those 2 things are going to be my daily habits, and I just want to start with that, and then gradually, if I feel like adding more, I will. And then the other thing that I want to establish is a night routine. So those 2 videos, a morning and night routine, are going to be coming up soon because I have some content that I want to upload for this month, which brings me to my next point, which is that I planned out roughly the type of videos that I want to film for this month. Now, sometimes I struggle with or I guess I should say, sometimes I struggle with creating a schedule for my videos because a lot of the times I film based on what inspires me in the moment. Like I could have a video planned out, for example, on a Sunday for a chats with Icie because I'm really talkative, but sometimes I can change my mind and I feel like filming and I feel like doing a vlog. Other times I just want to do a sit down video because I have something that's really weighing on my mind. So my videos are definitely subject to change, and this isn't a set in stone schedule, but I did pencil in a few video ideas that I want to try and get out. So I just wrote them out very roughly on the monthly spread. So I kind of have an idea, but like I said, this is definitely subject to change, but it's nice to get a brain dump. But overall, I think we've had a really productive day. I feel like I did get a lot done, and even though tomorrow I still have to do groceries and food prep, I think we've definitely set ourselves up for a really successful Monday. And I'm actually uploading this on a Monday, so I hope this is the exact inspiration you need to start off a very productive week, and hopefully that this just inspires you and to start this week off really strong. But anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your evening or day wherever you're watching this, and I will see you again in a new video very soon. Bye.